In international news, Russian President Vladimir Putin has clinched a historic fifth term, securing a landslide victory in the presidential polls. Mr. Putin hailed his preordained electoral victory as a sign of the country's trust and hope in him. He claimed another six-year term by getting 87% of the vote, with 80% of the precinct counted. Election officials said other candidates languished below 5%. Communist candidate Nikolai Kharitonov finished second and newcomer Vladislav Davankov third. This victory has solidified Mr. Putin's position as Russia's longest-serving leader, surpassing Joseph Stalin.